Hi, my name's Tyler Jensen. I am the Jensen in LeBaron and Jensen. And today we're going to talk about the process of a personal injury case. So my daughter, when she was younger, we would be driving in the car and she would ask, "Dad, are we there yet? Are we there yet? Are we there yet?" In this video today, we're going to talk about the "Are we there yet?" for purposes of your personal injury case. All right, let's just be real here. We have no idea how long it will take you to get healed. The legal process sometimes can be short, but a lot of times it's really long. So the time frames that I've mentioned here are our best guess based upon our 20 plus years of experience. If your case takes longer or shorter, it takes longer or shorter, but we're going to be here with you every step of the way to help you, to explain things to you so that you understand exactly what's going on. So the first "are we there yet" for your personal injury case is you getting better. So you've been injured in a car accident, you hurt your shoulder, your back, your neck, you have whiplash. In really bad cases, you may have a traumatic brain injury. It takes time for your body to heal, and before we can really begin with your personal injury case, you have to get better. By hiring us as your attorneys, we take care of the legal side and you can focus on getting better. So the getting better part can take anywhere from just a couple of months up to several years before you fully recover and are in either as good a place as you can be medically or are all healed and are ready to move forward with your life. The second phase of "are we there yet" is when we start to do our job. So you've done your job by getting better. We do our job by gathering all of your medical records and the billing records, and we summarize those in a letter that we send to the insurance company. That letter is what we call a demand letter, and we send that out. It's not uncommon for us to not hear back from the insurance company for a month or two, and the process of sort of informal negotiations is usually between 3 and 6 months. If we can't work it out with the insurance company during that time period, then it's time to go to phase 3. So phase 3 of "are we there yet?" In about 50%, maybe up to 60% of our cases, the insurance company doesn't want to play fair in our informal negotiations with them. And so in order to show them that we're serious, we file a lawsuit. Now, I know you're sitting there thinking, "I don't want to sue anybody," or "I don't want to be involved in a lawsuit." The reality is that almost none of our cases ever go all the way to trial where there's a jury and there's a judge. By filing a lawsuit, what happens is that an insurance company has to pay their own attorney. And once they have to start to pay their own attorney, a lot of times it makes it much easier to settle the case. And so the process of litigation can take anywhere between 6 months and a couple of years, but usually within 6 months to a year, we'll end up settling most of the cases. As we work on your personal injury case, you're definitely going to say to yourself, "Are we there yet? Are we there yet? Are we there yet?" And it's important for you to be patient with the process and understand how long this process can take, because we want your expectations to be the same as our expectations, that we want you to get better. We want to try and informally work out a deal with the insurance company to settle. And if they just aren't playing fair, then we're willing to sue them so that you can get what you deserve. So if you've been injured in an accident and it's not your fault, we would love to help you.